How's it going, to James Yonder Outdoors? I recently got a comment from a Randy Curtis. It says, I see several videos of this means of fletching. One video shows the release, and none that I've seen have shown the flight of the arrow to the target. I'm beginning to wonder if these actually shoot straight. He's talking about 2 Fletch arrows. He has some doubts. In this video, as you will see, they do actually fly straight. You may notice this is a carbon shaft. Yes, I get it. It's not wooden, it's not authentic. But that's not what we're testing. We're testing if 2 Fletch arrows fly straight. I think after you watch this video, you'll agree that they do. So Randy, this video is for you. I would like to thank you for giving me this idea. Let's watch.